Hello and welcome to Speed Superbikes. Here today we have a really great looking KTM Duke 125. This is a 2024 bike with literally just over 525 miles on the clock. One owned from new. Obviously any service that due would be done, full HPI clear, and obviously being a nearly new bike doesn't need an MOT until 2027. Again, absolutely stunning looking bike for a 125, obviously based around the overhead cam liquid cooled fuel injected 4-stroke engine, top spec chassis, wheels, brakes, just a really good looking bike. And obviously fully learner legal. So I'll show you around the bike for the general condition. As you can imagine, with 500 miles, just a very nice clean bike all round. So finish on the wheels, obviously tyres basically brand new. Finish on the engine, shock, everything, I say literally as you would expect on a 2024 bike with 500 miles on the clock. TFT dash on the latest model like this. A lot of information in there. I'll go through the basics with you. And one of the unique features of the KTMs is all that switch gear is backlit as well, which is nice. Because obviously you can see it in the dark at night as well, whereas a lot of bikes, even much higher and more expensive bikes, you don't get that. Obviously, full details of the bike are on our website, speedthrills.co.uk. You can call for further information on Exeter 01392 211 246. And hopefully if you found this video useful, please feel free to give us a like and maybe subscribe. Thanks again for watching.